Hello guys. Right now I'm doing for my door lock. I don't know exactly what happened with the door lock for my car. Okay. I When I press the button right here, the door open. But if I press right here the lock, there's something in there inside the um, green board right here. Automatic door button. If you see this, you see that one right there. That's the problem. Right there. I'll show you. The one right there. Right there. Because you know why? It's damaged like that. For the rain. I want you guys to be careful for your door lock when it's raining. There's another one. Um, the leg is broken. Look, I can't. I, I don't know how to fix that, so I'm going to go to junkyard and buy the used one. So there's the problem. The main one, the main lock, right there. It's right there. Okay. So the open door lock right here is uh, the wiring that goes to this thing is damaged for the rain. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.